Hello students, welcome to LBS. Today we will continue the chapter 1, exercise 1.1. Question number 5. What is given here? Mohan deposits 2000 rupees in his bank account and withdraws 1642 rupees from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. See what is given here. फर्स्ट डे मोहन ने जब 2000 रुपीज़ डिपॉजिट किया है, उसके सेकेंड डे उसने 1642 रुपीज़ ने क्या कर दिया, उसको विड्रॉल कर लिया है. एंड विड्रॉल अमाउंट को अगर हम निगेटिव इंटीजर से डिनोट करते हैं तो डिपॉजिट को किससे डिनोट करेंगे ये बताना है. एंड देन एट द लास्ट विड्रॉल करने के बाद उसके अकाउंट में कितना बैलेंस बचा ये फाइंड करना है. सी हियर डिपॉजिट अमाउंट इज 2000 रुपीज़ विच इज़ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. वाई? बिकॉज विड्रॉल अमाउंट 1642 रुपीज़ को हमने क्या दिया था, निगेटिव इंटीजर काउंट किया था. Now therefore at the last the remaining balance in his account is equal to 2000 minus 1642 is equal to 358 rupees. Next हमारे पास है सी. Next question. Rita goes 20 kilometer towards east from point A to the point B. From B she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled by towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? See, that is a straight line, and this is point A where Rita is straight and stand up, and she goes to east direction up to 20 km and reached at the position B. A से A पर खड़ी है रीता और B के साइड जाती है कितने किलोमीटर, 20 किलोमीटर. एंड इन द सेम वे उसी रास्ते से उसके अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में सी गोज टू 30 किलोमीटर एंड अप्रोच टू द पॉइंट C, और C पर पहुंचती है. तो फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन उसका कितना किलोमीटर दूर है. सी डिस्टेंस टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट को अगर हम पॉजिटिव काउंट करते हैं देन डिस्टेंस टुवर्ड्स वेस्ट विल बी निगेटिव. हियर ए बी, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ए बी इज गिवन 20 किलोमीटर एंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन बी सी इज 30 किलोमीटर. देन व्हाट अबाउट द ए सी, हमको ये वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. ए सी इज इक्वल टू 20 minus 30 इज इक्वल टू -10 किलोमीटर. दिस वैल्यू इज इन द on the opposite sides, so its value is negative. See, in a magic square each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. Magic square में क्या है? See, these horizontal lines or boxes, horizontal boxes are rows and vertical boxes are called columns, and these cross linings are called diagonals. If the values of all the row boxes, addition of all the numbers will be same for rows, for columns and for diagonals, then we can say that the box is a magic box. So first of all we will check for the 4 rows. This is 5 plus -1 plus -4 हमने यहाँ पर राइट कर दिया is equal to 5 minus 5 equal to 0. For the next one -5 plus -2 plus 7 for second row, it is -7 plus 7 equal to 0. 0 plus 3 plus -3 and we get 3 minus 3 equal to 0. In rows all the values are same. For columns, vertical 5 plus -5 plus 0, then you can write 5 minus 5 equal to 0. -1 plus -2 plus 3 and we get -3 plus 3 equal to 0. At last -4 plus 7 plus -3 this value is equal to minus 7 plus 7 equal to 0. These values are also equal. See here. Now we will take diagonals. 5 minus 2 plus minus 3, and we get this is equal to 5 minus 5 equal to 0. In the other hand, 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 4, and we will get minus 6. See here, all the values are not same here. This value is different from other values, so we can say that the box is not a magic square. If this had been 0, that it will be a magic square. अगर ये 0 होता तो magic square होगा. Now this box for you, for your practice. Next, question number 8. Verify a minus in bracket minus b is equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. यहाँ पर a और b की वैल्यूज दे के रखी है, हमको उसके लिए क्या करना है, ये रिजल्ट वेरीफाई करना है. सी है इन द फर्स्ट वन, a is equal to 21, b is equal to 18. Now first of all we will solve this left hand side. A minus in bracket minus b is equal to 21 minus in bracket minus 18. Minus minus becomes plus, therefore 21 plus 18 is equal to 39. Now a plus b, we will simply add both of them. 21 plus 18 is equal to 39. See here, both the values are same, so you can say that LHS RHS are equal. Therefore a minus in bracket minus b is equal to a plus b. Similarly, in the second one, a is equal to 118, b is equal to 125. We will take this LHS part. A minus in bracket minus b is equal to 118 minus in bracket 1 minus 125 is equal to 118 plus 125 is equal to 243. And this is a plus b. Simply add them. Is equal to 118 plus 125 is equal to 243. Also, both the values are same here, so you can say that LHS part and RHS part are equal. Now question number 3 and 4, this is homework for you. Thank you. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep revising.